Today we're comparing two DIY remedies, clove oil and clove water, to see which one works faster for your hair growth. Let's start with the benefits. Clove oils contain antioxidants and nutrients that strengthen your hair follicles, prevent breakage, and boost your hair growth. Clove oil does contain eugenol, which boosts blood circulation into your hair scalp. Who's talking about boosting blood flow into your hair scalp? Gotta be talking about boosting the transport of the nutrients, vitamins, minerals that are crucial for your hair follicles. The vitamins, antioxidants are gonna be going through your bloodstream and awakening your dormant hair follicles. And whenever your dormant hair follicles are awakened, that's when it's starting to growing hairs, and that's why it works. If you already using clove oil, do please let me know in the comment section down below how is it working out for you guys. Do you have any side effects? No side effects? Is your hair growing way more faster, not faster? So just please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would like to know. Now let's move on to the clove water. Clove water is much more gentler but still effective. It has got minerals and vitamin nutrients that help fight dandruff and nourish your hair scalp. If you were not growing hairs because of dandruff, and now you start using the clove water, you're gonna start noticing your hair scalp. You're gonna start producing less flakes. Less flakes means your hair scalp are gonna be cleaner, pores are gonna be open, and your hairs are gonna be finding their ways to pop out way more easier. And that's why the clove water works. While the clove water is less concentrated compared to clove oils, it is easier to apply on your hair as a daily spray. Just grab by nose spray on your hairs. If you have an afro or dreadlocks, just like the way mine is, just spray onto your hairs. Some people prefer clove water over clove oils, for quick DIY routine because it is less greasy, more budget friendly. Talking about the application, it is straightforward. Clove oil, just put your 2 fingers inside, go about applying on places where you normally don't grow hairs. So massage in there for 10 to 15 minutes, leave it up 30 to 1 hour, and then go about rinse your hairs. Or sometimes if you do one, you can prolong that time overnight, right? And on the other hand, clove water, just go about spraying on your hairs, as I said before, or go about using it to rinse your hairs. So in my personal case, this is how I use it. I normally go about washing my hair first with the shampoo, and then rinse my hair twice. For the third rinse, I go about using the clove water, right? So, and sometimes I go about leaving it up to overnight. Day after that, early in the morning, go about rinsing your hairs. Both methods of application are similar, but the frequency and the timing differs. So between clove water and clove oil, which one is it working faster for y'all guys? Do please let me know in the comment section down below. So talking of results, clove oils tend to deliver quicker results in hair growth due to its high concentration, while on the other hand, clove water is still effective and it is easier to apply. So to sum it up, go about combining the two. I mean, within the same way, you go about using clove water 3 times and clove oil 1 time. Combining the two, you're gonna be giving you guys faster results in your hair growth journey, right? So this is how I'm doing, and it is working out perfectly for me. Go home and try it and come back here, leave your comment in the comment section down below after 1 month or 2 months. Let me know how it turns out, for y'all guys. Come back, ask me questions. I'll be here to be, help y'all guys. If you do want to learn how to make clove water, I already made the video, the links above. Go back, click on the links and watch the videos. Or if you do want to learn how to make clove oils, I already made the video, the links above. Go back, click on it, and then you go watch it.